Why does Excel not auto-update my equations anymore? For some reason all of a sudden when I update cells in Excel, my equations are not being updated. For example, I have a simple equation, equals sum C4 column C16. If I change any of the cells in C4 C16, the answer doesn't get updated. I don't know what happened, I've never seen this fail before. Any ideas?
Check to make sure automatic calculation is still selected. Go to Formulas and GT, Calculation and GT, Calculation options and select Automatic.
Try changing the format type of the calculated cell from text to general and then re-enter the formula. That fixed the problem when I was seeing these symptoms.
It might be because of a circular reference. To check, go to Formula and GT, Error Check in GT, Circular Reference. You'll get a cell which is causing hindrance in the calculations.
It's like it gets stuck. I suggest you copy your formula into Notepad, then type any number into the cell. After that, click on the cell and paste your formula into the formula bar and hit enter. That resolved the problem for me.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.